Hey, I'm DJ Too Much and I'm with SixFigureDJs. Everyone that knows about our Six-Figure DJ MasterMind VIP monthly program is so excited because the features are incredible. We offer one-on-one mentorship where DJs can ask questions and get answers in real time. We offer discounted access to all of our DJ courses and training. You get access to a monthly webinar where we talk to DJs from different parts of the US and internationally, interview them, and you can get tips and secrets to what they're doing to grow their DJ businesses. You can take those tips and apply them to your personal DJ business and brand. We offer one-on-one strategy and growth sessions to help you grow your DJ business, make a plan, and we strategize with you in order to help you grow. On top of all of that, we offer templates for contracts, invoices, and any type of DJ forms you need to book clients, as well as scripts, so you can talk to clients and know exactly what to say to make sure that you're getting paid. If you want to join our membership, we're offering it for free for the next 14 days. Click below, sign up, it's free, check out all of our features. We have so many features that you can't find anywhere else, and I think you're gonna love it.
Yeah.